Aqua Beato Spring Water is the pinnacle of refreshment, crafted from all-natural alkaline water sourced from pristine, mineral-rich springs. This beverage embodies purity, clarity, and sublime effervescence, setting it apart from ordinary bottled drinks. The water's spring-fresh origin and natural filtration through ancient rock formations give it a perfectly balanced mineral profile, naturally occurring alkalinity, and a velvety smooth taste. Quench your thirst and invigorate your senses. This amazing spring water has no additives, artificial flavors, or sweeteners, and is pure hydration in its most refreshing form. Perfect for any occasion, this water elevates hydration to an art form, providing a refreshing, pure, and healthy drink that's genuinely good for you. This beverage comes in an aluminum can with a 50-year shelf life and no concerns of harmful microplastics like other drinks that come in a plastic bottle. Why jeopardize your health and the health of your family when there is a sustainable, amazingly refreshing option? Our cans are also made from 100% recycled material. You can rest assured that quenching your thirst will not have a negative impact on the environment by adding to plastic pollution of Earth's oceans. Experience the perfect blend of purity and effervescence with Aqua Beato Sparkling Water, redefining your hydration ritual with every sip.